Hi guys, this is Mithun Jain and welcome to my channel MidFit. So in this video, I'll be talking about the relationship between your immunity and your gut microbiome. Now, what is this gut microbiome? Now, the gut microbiome refers to the microorganisms living in your intestine. So you have like around trillions of microbes living in and around your body. So together this is called the microbiome. So you might have heard this, you have your good bacteria as well as bad bacteria. Now a lot of people don't know this, but 70% of your immune system, immune function is housed in the gut. Yes, 70%. So what do we infer from this? That keeping your digestive system in a tip-top shape is very crucial if you want to improve your immunity, right? If your digestive system is unhealthy, you have a compromised immunity. Also, you might have other health problems. If you have an unhealthy gut, you might gain weight because of insulin resistance. You might lose weight because of SIBO, that is small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. So there are a lot of things connected with your gut, and one major important thing that everyone is missing out is the immune system. 70% is housed in the gut. So no one is talking about this, but it is very important to keep your gut health in a tip-top shape. So what are some of the signs of an unhealthy gut? So if you have gas, bloating, constipation, diarrhea. Also, if you are not able to sleep properly, you might have an unhealthy gut, because majority of body's serotonin, a hormone that affects mood and sleep, is produced in the gut, and it is used to synthesize melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone that helps you to sleep. Also, if you have skin irritations. So these are some of the signs of an unhealthy gut. Now, what you can do to improve your gut health? First thing, lose that extra weight, period. Extra weight, extra fat weakens the immune system. Next is cut down on refined and ultra processed food. We are excellent at feeding our bad bacteria, and what does the bad bacteria thrives most on? Plain white sugar, refined and ultra processed carbohydrates. So these are the products which the bad bacteria thrives on, and if you cut down on white sugar, refined products, ultra processed carbohydrates, you will greatly improve your gut microbiome, the balance between your good bacteria and bad bacteria. One more thing, sugar depletes your vitamins and minerals. So if you have been popping vitamin pills, and if you have been eating junk food, sugar all day long, so sugar actually depletes your vitamins. So you need to cut down on your refined products. Next, few basic things you need to do, like you need to sleep properly. Everyone knows the importance of sleep, so you need to sleep properly. Sleep is very crucial for your immune function. If you are not sleeping properly, you will feel sick, you will feel tired throughout the day. So give your sleep the utmost priority, right? And next is chew your food. Basic, like chew your food. Don't be in a hurry to finish your meals. If you eat your foods in a hurry, you are unnecessarily putting a stress onto your digestive system. So chew your food properly. Next is add pre and probiotic foods. So you not only need probiotics, you also need prebiotics. Prebiotics acts as a food to your probiotics. So some of the prebiotics you can include is garlic, onion, apples, bananas, right? Apple cider vinegar, isabgol. So these are some of the prebiotics that you can include, and the probiotics, right? The dahi, buttermilk, chas, lassi, unsweetened lassi. Then there is kefir, cheese, fermented veggies. So these are all some of the foods you can add into your diet. Next is exercise. Exercise is anti-aging, and as you age you weaken your immune system. It also has an anti-inflammatory effect on your body now, and also through exercise there is more blood circulation in your body, so your white blood cells can move more rapidly into your bloodstream. So white blood cells are the main main guys who protect your immune system from the foreign invaders. Next is stay hydrated. Basic thing, like you need to stay hydrated. Then you need to lower your stress levels. If you can avoid taking antibiotics, please do so, and quit smoking. So these are the things you can do to improve your gut health and also improve your immunity. So please share this video with others, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.